Hello everyone. If you would like to add calendar to your Excel, for example, you want to insert the date in these cells and you want to use the calendar, okay, because that is easy and you can use the GUI tool to easily add the date. So let's do it. Okay, for that you need to activate the developer tab in your Excel. If that is not activated, just click somewhere on the ribbon. Okay, this is the ribbon. Just click somewhere in an empty area, then press customize the ribbon. After pressing that button, come here and check this developer tab. Okay, to the main tab, popular command. Okay, check here popular command and developer tab. After checking the developer command, press OK, so it will be activated here. After activating it, now come here to the add ends. Okay, see this option, press this add ends and just come here to the here. You will see those add-ins that you have already activated. Okay, you have already used. But let's, if you don't use, I have already used the mini calendar. If you didn't use, just come here to the store to the right side. After coming to the store, let's wait. So here we will search mini, for example, just calendar, search calendar. Search calendar. Okay, so it will search for you. See mini calendar. So to add this, just press add button. So continue. See that has been added to Excel sheet. Let's wait for it. It is loading. Yeah, that has appeared. Let's move it here, right or left side. After moving that, let's increase the size. For example, here you have different options. Okay, to customize the font and other theme of this calendar. So now, for example, you want to add a date. Come here, check here. For example, you want to add 21 of February 24. Okay, press this. See that date has been added. Click here. For example, you want add 23 December, for example 12. Click here and add another date. So here you have different options. Change calendar theme. You can change the theme also. Is that okay? And toggle calendar size. Okay, you can toggle the calendar size and just come here, change calendar system. You can change the calendar system and toggle week numbers. Here you will see the week numbers and different options. Highlight range dates. Okay, whenever you want to close it, just press this icon and press the delete button. So that has been deleted. Okay, if you would like to add it again, just come here to the add ends that would be available here. Just press this so you can add the calendar again. Add, that has been added. That is how you can use calendar in MS Excel to add dates. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.